Meet Ophelia. She runs the Robot Operations Center at Hooley Robotics. InOrbit notifies her about an issue with part of her fleet. Her team is on it before her customer even knows about it. Robots often require remote interventions. InOrbit makes that scalable. Rachel is a roboticist at Hooley. She's looking for the root cause of an issue that just occurred. InOrbit puts data at her fingertips and gives her powerful analytics tools to drive continuous improvement. Hooley Robotics CEO reaches out to the CEO of Brickmart, a large retailer. Eve is on top of the key performance indicators and can stay ahead of her customers' questions. She informs Brickmart that the problem was resolved in 23 seconds without impacting the operations. Hooley considers InOrbit mission critical. You can too. Visit inorbit.ai to learn more.